Tired of PayPal transactions turning your QuickBooks Online into a financial headache? Let's get that PayPal account reconciled in QuickBooks Online, ensuring everything matches up perfectly. First, if you haven't already, connect your PayPal account to QuickBooks Online. This will automatically import your transactions. You can do this by navigating to the banking section in the left-hand menu, then clicking Connect Account and selecting PayPal. Follow the prompts to link your accounts. Now, grab your latest PayPal statement in QuickBooks. Go back to the banking section, find your PayPal account, and click the Reconcile button. Enter the ending date and ending balance from your PayPal statement. Make absolutely sure these numbers are correct. This is crucial for a successful reconciliation. QuickBooks will automatically match transactions it recognizes. Review each of these carefully to confirm they are accurate. For unmatched transactions, compare your QuickBooks entries with your PayPal statement line by line. If you find a match, manually select them in both sections. If a transaction exists on your PayPal statement but is missing in QuickBooks, you'll need to edit manually. Click Add Transaction within the reconciliation screen and enter the details. This is especially common for PayPal fees. Keep an eye on the difference amount at the bottom. Your goal is to get this to $0. Once it hits 0, you've successfully reconciled. Click Finish now and pat yourself on the back. You've conquered your PayPal reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Now your financial reports are accurate and you can make informed business decisions. Remember to reconcile regularly for smooth sailing.